Get me good self.
I don't mean his trousers.
I knew you wouldn't be ready.
Don't show us that
I knew you wouldn't be ready. Well, maybe he is ready. Depends how you look at it.
Well, yeah, could be.
cheeky bastard. Never get it on your hands.
Yeah, yeah.
He's living the dream.
Ping! String god.
That was brilliant.
Working the camera.
Brilliant time. Nice little bit of editing there. That's going to be
funny you
hilarious.
should say that because I watched what's he called? James Bond, Simon Templar.
Oh, the Saint.
Yeah, what was his
Roger
name?
Moore.
Roger Moore. Have
Right,
you seen the documentary on him? And he's narrating it. It's brilliant.
Roger Moore.
It's the best one. So this your third images, right? So really just photos.
You like Smith Cox?
That is where I want to be. Hi.
Caught everybody with their trousers on.
You know, just in
I saw the
So
video.
you're still living in
I was seeing it.
Yeah.
Passport photo. I saw the one bit of.
Oh, okay. They here.
Because you know what he should look like. The thing is, it's like the way it goes weird is the things when they turn to the side.
The tuna roll on you.
Your wife kicked you out.
right.
It's the best one. So this your third images, right? So really just photos.
You like Smith Cox?
This one's called Savoir-Faire.
man. Children, baby. What time is it exactly?
It's only 9:40.
Well, that's all right then.
What did they tell you to do? Just to.
I'm very good. How are you? I'm just trying to make a great steaming hard. Yes, how are you? Lovely to see you.
You'll be nice and guys, won't you?
No. I got it before to go for a fight.
Have you reported that back? It's not there. It's not there.
Say hello to Texas.
Where is she? Oh, in here. Alright. Whereabouts in town? Very well.
Well, Dan. Dallas.
Alright.
Dallas in Houston. I was slap bang between Dallas and Houston. Right in the middle. If you went left, you went to Houston. If you went right, I go to his house.
Paul, Dan, catch you later, alligator.
It's good to meet you.
Always special to meet you.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
everybody. Merry Christmas, John. And you.
Yeah, man.